The campus environment as a center for education, research, and community service plays an important role in shaping the mindset and behavior of the younger generation. The campus is not only a place for formal learning, but also allows community with diverse activity, starting from lecture activity, laboratory practicum, student organization activities, seminars, to daily campus operational activity. All of these activity require electric energy and as the main resource to run electronic device, lighting system, air conditioning atau AC, laboratory equipment, and various other facility. However, in reality, energy consumption on campus is often not managed visually. Some examples of energy wastage that often occur include lights left on in many classrooms or laboratories, where the lights remain on even though they are not in use. Exist or conditioning units are often turned on at a very low temperature or remain on even though the room is empty. Campus buildings have lots of ventilation in each classroom, but are not as an alternative for room lighting. This habit is often considered trivial, but when calculated on a large scale, the impact becomes significant. Campus with a large number of students, lecturers, and education staff can turn have high energy needs. Inefficient energy management ultimately burdens the campus operational budget and has a negative impact on the environment. Factors causing energy waste on campus include lack of overage and education. Most students, lecturers, and education staff are not aware of the negative impact of wasted energy use. Awareness of the importance of energy efficiency is often minimal due to the lack of education related to the importance of energy efficiency and environmental sustainability. The absence of clear policy and regulation, the absence of rules that specifically regulate the use of electricity in the campus environment. Some campuses might have energy-saving policies, but their implementation is often inconsistent and supervision is weak. Minimal use of technology. There are still weak campuses that implement smart technology to monitor and manage electric usage. For example, the use of automatic sensors to control lights and air conditioners, or the installation of smart meters that can monitor electric consumption in the real time. Dependency of fossil fuels. Most campuses that rely on electricity from the PLN network, which in short from fossil fuels. This makes his electric consumption not only financially expensive but also has a negative impact on the environment. The impact of fossil energy consumption. Excessive and inefficient consumption of electric in the campus environment and cause forest and negative impact that have a wide impact. This impact is not only limited to the economic aspect, but also affect the environment, social and academic culture on campus. Here is more detailed explanation of the impact. Excessive use of electric causes a spike in campus operational costs. Funds that should be allocation for academic development, research and education. Teachers are encouraged as to pay electric bills. For example, the use of air conditioners without automatic control in classrooms and laboratories and significantly increase electric bills. Expenditure for the maintenance of electrical equipment such as air conditioner, computer and other electronic devices have a shorter lifespan if used efficiently. As a result, the campus must spend more on equipment, maintenance, and replacement, increasing carbon emission. Most of the electric in Indonesia is still generated from coal-fired power plants that produce high carbon emission. Excessive use of electricity means that the campus contribution to carbon emission is increasing, worsening global warming and climate change. Lacks of environmental awareness, wasteful energy consumption reflects a lack of environmental awareness among studying, teachers, and staff. Energy wasting habit and be carried off into everyday life outside campus, worsening the environmental impact more broadly. If energy wasting is lived without education and enforcement of rules, the academic community will become as accustomed to energy wasting before. This hinders the creation of an academic culture that cares of sustainability. Solution to overcome energy wasting in campus environments. The problem the energy wasting in the campus environment is to be addressed with a comprehensive approach include technology, policy education and participant of the entire academic community. The goal of this solution is to create a campus environment that is more efficient in energy use, cost-effective, and ecological stable. The use of technology for energy saving is a concrete step to overcome every phase by utilizing modern technology that can support the efficiency of electrical energy use. For example, installing automatic sensor on lights and air conditioning in classroom and laboratories can help turn off this device when the room is not used. This will reduce unnecessary electric use. In addition, the use of smart meters allow monitoring of electric consumption in the real time. Through this technology, campus management and identify rooms or areas that has excessive electricity and immediately take COVID teams. The use of renewable energy sources such as solar panel and be an alternative to reduce the campus dependence of fossil fuel-based electric. By installing solar panel on the roof of campus building, solar energy can be converted into environmental friendly electric. Solar water heating system can also be applied in laboratories or studied dormitories to reduce electric use.